Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Viv and today I'm going to be showing how to do 1 bead method application and 2 bead application method with acrylic. I already put some tips on the nails and removed the surface shine, did all the prep with the 180 file, and now I'm going to apply nail prep dehydrator on natural nail only. As I'm working with acrylic, I'm going to apply acid-based primer only on natural nail as well. No need to put acid-based primer on the tip because it's plastic and the acrylic already stick to it. So today I'm going to be using medium speed acrylic liquid and acrylic powder natural beige. Remove the excess. Here is the 1 bead application on the pinky. Pick a large bead, place near the cuticle area, let the product flow a little bit, and pat and press the product.
You'll never hear what anybody else has to say. And therefore all you'll have to talk about is your own conversation. The same is true for people who think all the time. That means, when I use the word think, talking to yourself, subvocal conversation, the constant chit-chat of symbols and images and talk and words inside your skull. Now, if you do that all the time, you'll find that you'll not...
And the product is still warm a little bit. Just place your pinching tool and let it set like that.
You have to stop thinking to find out what life is about. And the moment you stop thinking, you become into immediate contact with the unspeakable world. The force of liberation will blow the world to pieces.
If you need a little bit more on the side, just pick a small bead and drag up very gentle. For the thumbs, I'm gonna pick a large bead and place near the cuticle and just place the product. Now I'm going to do the 2 beads method. So first I'm going to pick a medium size ball, place onto the free edge, press to have a thin line here. I'm going to press, and now patting the product. If you have too much product, press like that and remove the excess. What we want here is to have a very thin connection to make the second bead easier to place. And now I'm ready for my second bead. So dip your brush into the liquid, take some acrylic, place it near the cuticle area. Let it flow a little bit and press really close to the cuticle, but don't touch them. And add up and overlap the first bead. And we're going to continue the 2 beads method on all the fingers. To work with acrylic, you have to understand the consistency. If it's too wet, you can't work with it. If it's too dry, you can't work with it either. You need to find the perfect balance between liquid and powder, a good ratio, and when you have it, it's really easy to work with. Here we are, our last nail, the pinky. The shorter the nail is, the smaller the bead will be as well. Now I'm going to file the nail, so I'm using a 120 grit to do the side wall and the free edge, and I'm going to use a 180 grit to do all the top and the cuticle area. Push back the skin and place the file onto the side wall. When your filing routine is done, you can buff to remove any small scratches on the surface, which it will smooth the surface of the nail, especially with acrylic. As soon as you finish the buffing, clean the nail with some gel residue wipe off solution. So now you can leave it like this and put some top coat on, or do some free nail art hand painting. Here is the finished application. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Until next time, au revoir!